Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well, safe and healthy. If you are new here, this is Aiza Beg and you are most welcome to my channel. And for the returning subscribers, thank you guys for returning back to my channel. Today's video is a special one for me. In this video, I will share with you guys my son's room tour. And along with that, I will share some kids room decorating ideas. So I hope you like it. We do a lot of research before we buy furniture for our living room or bedroom. But when it's come to the kids room, many people make the mistake of just shifting old furniture into the kids room or buying any random stuff. But I think we should pay the same amount of importance when we are buying furniture for kids room, because the interior of the house will be incomplete or odd if the kids room is not done well, and also because the kids do need the right kind of furniture for proper functioning. So the first thing which is very important is the size of the furniture. The size of the furniture is very important, especially for a kids room. Try to buy furniture that are relatively smaller. The kids will be comfortable in climbing shorter beds, and they can reach out to the closet that are shorter. So try to buy short and handy furniture. The shape of the furniture is also important in a kids room. You must avoid any furniture with edges. Children often fall and get hurt. If there are sharp edges, there are chances of your kids getting hurt every day. After all, you can never compromise the safety of your child for a furniture. The design and concept of a furniture, including the color, can be left to the choice of your child, because they are the ones who will be using the furniture. You can only give your input for their choice. Choose durable furniture made of either wood, plastic or metal. Avoid choosing glass furniture because they might break and harm your kid. The kids do not know that the glass can break easily, and they might end up using it roughly and breaking it. The color of the room is key and foundation for the vibe of the room. It totally depends on you that are you going with the same color palette as the rest of your house. But in my opinion, leave the color choice for your kids. But make sure that the color that are used in the room or on the furniture do not contain any harmful substance. Try to keep the furniture as minimal as possible in your kids' room. Keep only the most necessary furniture. The room should be free as much as possible, because comfort of your kid is the main priority. Never compromise with it. As your kids spend most of their time inside their rooms, they will be need the best furniture. Whether it is reading, writing, sleeping, dancing, the kids will perform better and will be comfortable only when you provide the right kind of furniture for them. If you have the space, a kid-friendly work area is must. Providing your child with a place to color and create will not only keep them busy, but may also help them with their physical and mental development. A simple desk with an adjustable chair along with a smart lamp is a good idea. You can make it more creative by adding some pictures on the counter with some soft toys arranging correctly. Add some wallpaper or paint behind the shelves. Place the study table near a window to ensure plenty of natural lights and fresh air. Rugs are a great way to bring in more color and warmth into your kids' room. It's not only the kids who will crawl around, but also parents, friends, and even grandparents will sit down on the floor to play with them. That's why it's nice to have a rug, which absorbs sound and protects small feet from cold floor and is soft to play on. Placing a rug by the bed will give your child space to stretch out and play with toys, board games, puzzles, and art projects. Rugs are a better choice than wall-to-wall carpet as they can be removed and cleaned easily. So, ideally, children's rug should be soft, have a fine wave, and comfortable, durable, stylish, and colorful, and easy to clean and maintain.